This video demonstrates adding nodes to the display that are linked by particular predicates using commands in the upper section of the link menu. This is a key way to build a visual graph because it gives you the control of adding nodes incrementally, but more quickly than selecting every individual node to add. The most important commands in this group are the first two, where the first command allows you to select predicates of interest, and the second lets you add nodes that are linked by those predicates to nodes that are already displayed. But first we need a starter node. I'll use the add a node by class command to select one of the classes in the triple store. The first time this command is used, it may take a while to collect the hierarchy of classes in the store. The class hierarchy is then shown as an outline with only the top level classes initially visible. Here I look at the subclasses of individual and select athlete. And now to the main topic. When you use the select current predicates to include command, a dialog appears that lists all of the predicates that have triples for any nodes that have been displayed so far. In this case, we see only the predicates that are used with the athlete class that we displayed already. Right now we're interested in subclass of relationships and conceptually related relationships. So we select those. And to keep this video short, I'll just note that typically you will want to select the same predicates for both subject nodes and object nodes. And there's a handy copy button here to do just that. And now we can exit this dialog. Now that we've established a set of current predicates, we can add nodes that are linked by those predicates. To do this, you simply click on a node to select it, and then use the Add Linked Nodes for the current predicates command. Notice that the keyboard shortcut for this command is simply the F key, since we'll be using this command repeatedly. This command adds any nodes that are linked with the selected node by the current predicates. Holding the mouse over a link shows which predicate is represented by each line style. We can now use the same command repeatedly by selecting another node and then pressing the F key each time to invoke the Add Linked Nodes command again. A visual graph can be built quickly with this approach. At this point you may be wondering what happens when you quickly end up with too many nodes to fit in the window. Basically, you need to decide on one of several ways to handle that, and that's covered in another video.